Hello everyone. Now let's learn the phonic sound of the letter M. M says mm. M says mm. So what is the action you do? You rub your hand around your belly and say mm. That's the action for the letter. Can we begin with the story for the same? Come on. Mrs. Morris and her son Marvin have invited his friends, Millie and Molly, for dinner. They are playing outside when they hear the call for dinner. They come in, wash their hands, and sit down at the table. I'm hungry, says Marvin, rubbing his tummy. I hope it's spaghetti and meatballs. I hope it's hot dogs. Says Molly. I hope it's hamburgers, says Millie, rubbing her tummy. Mrs. Morris comes in carrying their meal. Lamb and peas, say the children. I like that the most, says Marvin. Alright, so let's begin with the song for the same. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. So what sound does a letter M make? Letter M makes the sound You rub your tummy. Don't forget to rub your tummy when you say Alright?